Yes, I kill and pump and paralyze, yes. All down pressers, like pressures and transgressors, yes. Yes. I Rasta children. I Rasta children. I come from Zion. I come from Zion. Living down there in Babylon, enduring the stripes and tribulation. I not check for no vanity. Yes, I deal with humanity, enduring the stripes and tribulation, with your guidance and its protection, to lead the children out of Babylon to the promised land. Mount Zion, Mount Zion, Mount Zion, yeah, well, no.
Zion, that is the place for I for I and I to dwell. Fire, 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 I go burn Babylon, cause this is a living hell. Gather the babe and it's so clear to reach the promised land. Far, far away, far, far away, far, far away, far, far away. Get away! I and I Rasta children. I and I Rasta children. We come from Zion. We come from Zion.
So me, you me last never sleep from my body, never eat beef, never sleep goat, never eat pork, never eat the poor, but me nah go vote. Man a Rasta man, man a pinky man. Babylon, coming from ancient traditions, coming from the line of Solomon. Yeah, the kings of kings are the only one.
Living down there in Babylon, enduring the stripes and tribulations. I and I not check for no vanity. I and I deal with humanity, enduring the stripes and tribulation, with Jah guidance and protection, leading Jah out of Babylon, going to the promised land. Mount Zion,
Mount Zion, yes.
Mount Zion,
Mount Zion, J-Box.
Mount Zion.
Hey, come along, come along.
Mount Zion.
Come hear me out. For so long, I'm on the river Nile. Roman soldiers kill my firstborn child. Still man cross the Red Sea, man trod mile and to mile. Jah fall in man to make everybody smile. We sight brother Daniel in the lion's den. Humble as a dove, yo, until it reach the end. Jah love and crown all of his children. So faithful I'll be.
One day we will return. We steady on the mission. Till fire, fire, fire burn down Babylon. I and I Rasta children. I and I Rasta youth. I and I deal with creation. Defenders of the rights and truth.
So I Rasta from birth, me come for rock the concert with these words of His Majesty. I come up with truth and honesty. Honestly, Jah bless me freely the people with my voice. Ways of sin that shall perish, but all the righteous
you could never tell the trees from the root, the seed from the fruit. The cycle of life is eternal. We read from the book of life which teaches us the truth. It's written in your heart, not in them version. In an ocean of pain and suffering, Rastafari children set sail. Hey! Haile Selassie is the symbol of life. The conquering lion has prevailed. Rastafari resides in a Zion. Hey! Rastafari lives and never die. Let me know.
Sayonaya, 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 Ayanaya, Sayonaya, Ayanaya, Sayonaya, Ayanaya, Ayanaya. Sayonaya, Ayanaya, Ayanaya, Sayonaya, Ayanaya, Ayanaya, Sayonaya, Ayanaya.
You see me come over me head. I am a natty dreadlock. You see me come over me head. I come to burn down Babylon.